What's going on, guys? We're out in San Dimas for a clutch and based meet tonight. We are probably about 5 minutes away, so when we get there I will be getting you guys content of the cars that are there, whether it's supercars, not supercars, built, not built, all of that stuff. I will be getting you guys content. See you there. At the Celebrity Walk Supra MK5 next to Laguna Seca Blue M3 M4, my bad, M4, my bad guys, M4. This built Mustang, carbon fiber front. It's clean. This black 5.0 sounds nice. Old school Beamer. King Type R with some sick ass taillights. Those things are sick. Got this nice baby blue S2000. Another M4 Evo. Stand Stout S13, IS300, SI. You guys might not be able to see this, but there's hella bikes over here. Woodfold 5.0. Clean M8. Got a Urus. Holy Pro Charged.
Let me feel the heat. Let me feel the heat. Oh yeah, I got a toasty. It's toasty. Look at the fucking size of that thing, bro. Does that say 83 to 105 millimeters?
God damn.
God damn, that's big.
83 to 105. Nardo Gray C6.
That's a very big Pro Charger.
Yeah, it's 103. It's 85 103. John Player Special. I don't know what car this is. I actually really don't. The safety car.
Yeah, right there. You're right there.
Oh, it's a Lotus. It's a Lotus. It's a Lotus Emra. Porsche EK hatch, the clutch truck that everybody knows. Got a Tesla, whatever. Sonny, that's the Shark McLaren.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Teeth.
That's the Shark McLaren.
It doesn't have the teeth.
Sonny, that's the Shark McLaren.
Is it?
Yes.
No. That's gray.
That looks blue from a
It
distance.
did, but it didn't have the teeth.
Nice. I fuck with it.
I like it.
E92 M3. Another E92.
Wait, you want to know something really funny?
Supra. Another E92 over there. There's something else right here. Old school Beamer. Older Beamer. White wheels. Red interior and the light with the roll cage. Canyon Carver for sure. GTO, old school.
Yeah, I bet all the underwear is really fun.
Nice wheels.
We gotta get rid of it because we wanted our garage.
That thing's nice. Definitely like it. Love it. 1000 RR. This thing's crazy. Street tires. Carbon fiber back end. Supercharged. Another C6. Regular Toyota Tacoma. Beamers. We got an R8 over here. A Z. A Beamer.
I think I see a magical green sign down there that says crispy on it.
Another C6. GTO.
I think it's Ronite.
Got the man, the myth, the legend, Crispy.
Ronite, yeah, I got you.
392.
Yeah.
I'm alive.
392. Another 392. Bye bye, Supra. Promoting a fight. Paul versus Chavez Jr. I didn't even know that was there. Got two Gixxers. Lightweight, strutted out. So the goal here is to get it within 15 feet. I got 13. So high. Jeez. Dude, there's one that when he revs it, like it doesn't even sound like a rev limiter.
Yeah, the one that goes, that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that guy's gotta leave the show.
And he's gotta get the. Guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry this is a shorter video, but that is it. Nothing else is going to happen tonight, but I will catch y'all in the next one.